So Jeff, when an aircraft owner is on the schedule, he brings in his airplane, what are the next steps? Like how does that typically work?
Yeah, so for us we keep up a maintenance form, right? And for repeatable customers that come in every year, we kind of know approximately what is due and what's coming up due as far as the Chapter 4 items, ADs, the mandatory service bulletins. We still have to have physically the logs to perform all of that work. But we kind of get prepared for it and know exactly what's coming up due and all of that. And obviously check for new ADs, mandatory service bulletins, and all of that. So yeah.
So then when you figure out what needs to be done and then you inspect the airplane, then what happens?
Yeah, so after that, we come up with a repair estimate, and from there, then just send it to the customer, and then we wait for his approval. And and then we continue the work. It's still in progress inspection, right? Because there's certain items you might not see until the mechanic opens it up, right? And we get to see it a little bit more. So, but it's just certain stuff that we do right away. We have a checklist that we have to follow and go through it.
So does the customer have to, in order to get signed off for an annual inspection, does the customer have to do everything that you write down?
No, so exactly, this is the thing, right? As I was talking about that Chapter 4, they have to do that Chapter 4, right? Those are mandatory items. And then you've got mandatory items, which is, a life limit stuff, and then ADs that you have to comply with. And then you go down to manufacturer recommendation, and then you go down to airworthy stuff, which you have to do as well. And then you go down to recommended and cosmetic. The mandatory and airworthy stuff, you have to do them. Manufacturer recommendation, recommended item, cosmetics, they can be deferred. So yeah.
Okay, that's good information. Thanks, Jeff.